Hello students, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 10 Measurement. So let's continue with the capacity part. Exercise 10C. Express 49018 liters in DAL decaliters, HL hectoliters and KL kiloliters. Now liters to all these units, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter, we are going from the smaller unit to a bigger unit. So what do? Yes, we will divide. Okay, so let's start. First one, 1 liter is 1 upon 10 decaliter. So 49018 liters will be 49018 upon 10. Now what will that be? When it is on a 10, we put a decimal point, just the number of 0. So it will become 4901.8 decaliters. Okay. Now we move on to the next, that is hectoliters. So again 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 100 hectoliters. So 49018 liters will be 49018 upon 100. We know that we have to divide. So now again, how many places? 2 places. So it will become 490.18 hectoliters. Okay, and then the last part in kiloliters, 1 liter is 1 upon 1000 kiloliters. So 49018 liters will be 49018 upon 1000. How many places? 3 places. So it will become 49.018 kiloliters. Move on, 7th one. The capacity of a bucket is 25 liters. It has 13 liters of water. How much more water can it hold? So now suppose this is my bucket. The total capacity is 25 liters and it already has 13 liters of water. So how much more can it hold? So what do? Yes, I will subtract. So first, total capacity of the bucket is 25 liters and it has how many liters of water? 13 liters of water. So now more water, what do I do? Yes, we will subtract. More water, how many liters? 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 12 liters. So we write the answer. 12 liters of more water can be held by the bucket. Okay. On question 8, Lily bought a tin can whose capacity was 50 liters. Now she poured into it 10 liters of water, 13 liters of lime juice and 23 liters of sugar solution. What capacity of tin can had she used up? So we have to find how much she used up. We don't have to find how much is left or how much is the total. So we have to add it up. So 10 liters of water, 13 liters of lime juice and 23 liters of sugar solution. Now capacity used will be what? Liters will be as it is and we will plus how much she has used. 0, 3 plus 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 46 liters of capacity of the tin can is being used. So answer, she used 46 liters of the capacity of the tin can. Easy sums, right? Next question, question number 9. Convert 714.714 kiloliters to hectoliters, decaliters and liters. So now again we are going from a bigger unit to lower units. So what do? We multiply. Okay, so now first one for hectoliter, 1 kiloliter is 10 hectoliter. hectoliters. So 714.714 kiloliters will be 714.714 into 10. Now when we are multiplying, we shift the decimal place to the right hand side. So it will be 7147.14 hectoliter. Easy sum. Okay, now next we move to decaliters. So 1 kiloliter is 100 decaliters. So 714.714 kiloliters is 714.714 into 100. So it becomes 714. I shift the decimal place 2 places, 0.4 decaliters. Very easy sums. And the last part, 1 kiloliter is 1000 liters. So 714.714 kiloliters is 714.714 into 1000. Now how many places? 1, 2, 3. So 714 liters. The decimal point moves out. Let's continue with the last sum of the exercise. Convert 84901 ml to ml means milliliters, to cl centiliters, dl deciliters, l liters, dal decaliters, hl hectoliters and kl kiloliters. So we are going from the smaller unit to the bigger units to the last unit. So what do? We divide. So 1 ml is how many cl? 1 upon 10 cl. So 84901 ml will be 84901 upon 10. Now when it is upon 10, what do? 1 decimal place. So 8490.1 cl. I put a decimal point at 1 place. Okay. Next, 1 ml is 1 upon 100 deciliter. So 84901 ml will be 84901 upon 100. How many places? 2 places. So 849.01 deciliter. Okay, we continue by adding the number of places. Now next one, 1 ml is 1 upon 1000 liters. So 84901 ml will be 84901 upon 1000. So how many places? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 84.901 liters. Okay, let's continue for decaliters. 1 ml is 1 upon 10,000 decaliters. So 84901 milliliters will be 84901 upon 10,000, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will become 8.4901 decaliters. Okay. Next one, 1 ml is 1 upon, after 10,000, 1 lakh hectoliters. If you get confused, see here, we are going to all the units. So first unit is on 10. Next will be upon 100, 2 zeros, 1 place, then 2 places, then 3 places, then 4 places, then 5 places, and so on. So 84901 ml will be 84901 upon 1 lakh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll put a 0, I'll put a decimal point, and 84091 hectoliters. Are you understanding? Now we move on. Last one. 1 ml is 1 upon how many kiloliters? How many zeros will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be 6 zeros. That is 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 84901 ml will be 84901 upon 6 zeros, that is 10 lakhs. So 5 places are there. So I will put 0.084901. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. KL. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Okay.